Guys, welcome back to my channel, and how are you guys doing? So guys, today we are going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a lip balm. This is basically how I make my lip balm. I've spent a whole lot of money in getting lip balm, but right now I'm going to be making mine. If this is what you would like to watch, please stick around. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, subscribe, give this video a like, and let's get into the video. So guys, for this recipe I'm going to be using beeswax, and then this is shea butter, it's a solid butter. This is my coconut oil, and also this is my peppermint essential oil, so that at least to have a little bit of fragrance. So guys, this is actually the container we're going to be putting them. So this is my old lip balm, I just washed it. This is also a lip balm container, I washed it off. And this is my chapstick container, I also washed it off. And this is the container we're going to be using. So this particular item I want to show you now, please don't laugh. It was late already. I couldn't get a what do they call it, this glass, or like a plastic, I don't know, this kind of strong plastic that they use in, like a glass to measurement glass they use in double boiling something. So I'm going to be using this aluminium plate as my double boiler. If you watch, I pressed it like this so that it will give me this what do they call this stuff, this jug like kind of mouth, so that when I'm pouring it into this place it will be easy. So this is the spoon I'll use to turn. So we're going to be using the double boiling method. If you watch, there's water on it right now. So I'm just going to put some of the beeswax into this my formulated double boiler. So I'm going to be going in with the shea butter now. Shea butter, I got this shea butter. Just this level of shea butter is okay. So this is my coconut oil. I'm going to add it now to this particular stuff. Just going to eyeball it. So guys, when adding your oil and your butter, make sure it's bigger than the wax, because we want a lip balm that is moisturizing, to moisturize our lips and make it look okay. So guys, I'm just going to place my DIY double boiler on this my pan, and I'll just leave it to melt, to turn into liquid. The essential oil will actually come after this stuff has melted. So when this stuff melts and equally the heat reduces a little, then I'm going to add the essential oil. So let me just get tissue. This thing is quite hot. Blended up, and some of the beeswax is still trying to melt. So I'm just, if you watch, I'm still trying to melt it. So just allow it melt. Then I'll remove it from the double boiler, from the pan, and allow it to cool down a little. Then I'll add my essential oil. this cool down a little. I'm just going to add that is okay. I don't want it to be too minty, so I'm going to stir. I think I'm going to be pouring this soon. I'm going to stop there. So guys, I succeeded in putting this one in here, so I'm just going to allow it to harden, and then I'm going to try it out. I'm going to leave it here for 1 hour or 2 hours and then come back to see what it looks like. So stay tuned and go nowhere. So guys, as you can see, my lip balm is actually coming out nice and it's hardening. That's one thing I like about beeswax. Beeswax is quick to harden, like it's already coming out well. So I'm going to be testing it out pretty soon. So let me just allow it to sit in for another 1 hour, then I'm going to come back. By then it should be all strong, and I'm going to test it on our lips and tell you guys what it feels like on the lips. So stay tuned and go nowhere. So guys, these are my lip balm. It's not focusing. You can see the consistency. These are my lip balm. So I feel like I'm going to be giving out one, maybe this one. I feel like I'm going to be giving them out to maybe any of my friends that uses lip balm. So guys, this is basically what this lip balm looks like. You can see the shimmy, like so beautiful. And I'm going to be making more of this in the future because I think I got the formulation of this and I'm going to be giving away one of them. So, and hopefully if I'm able to continue to formulate like this, then hopefully I might think of selling it, turning it into a business, adding it to my store. So what do you think about this lip balm? Is it moisturizing enough? Does it have that shine? So leave your comments in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.